Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, really great device, Xiaomi A2, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So battery on your device is really great, but how to improve it? To do it firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't using Wi-Fi right now, but you are using internet using the mobile data, so just disable the Wi-Fi. If you are using mobile data, if you are using Wi-Fi, so just disable the mobile data. If the both types of networks are enabled, they are both consuming your battery power and we don't need it. So disable all features you don't need it right now. So for example, did you need Bluetooth right now? Did you listen to music right now? If no, disable the Bluetooth. Disable auto rotate to disable the accelerometer. Disable the flashlight maybe. Disable the newbie share. Click on the pencil button. Find here location. Click and hold on it and switch it to the upper part of the control panel. Move to the upper part hotspot 2. That's cool. So now disable the hotspot because hotspot's consuming a lot of battery power, and disable location services. Location services are constantly working in the background and sending your location to Google and receiving information about your location too. So if you want to find where you are, so your smartphone is sending information, so it's not sending, but it's receiving information from GPS satellite, then sending this information to Google, and Google sending information to you where you are. And it's great, it works really great and cool, but it's consuming a lot of battery power, so disable location services to save your battery life for today. And the last step is of course to reduce the screen brightness. Maybe it was first step to improve battery life, so screen is consuming a lot of battery power. You don't need to use dark mode on this device because you have no LED screens. Your screen is normal liquid screen, and behind the screen you have the one big LED panel that have one big LED lamp, and so not big one LED lamp, but okay, one big LED lamp, okay. And it means that if you will use dark mode or white mode, it will use the same battery power. So one thing you can change is the brightness of this one LED lamp. And cool. And the last thing, really last, you can do is to enable the power saving mode. So you have your battery saver and you can enable it. Click turn on. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful for you, so write a comment or I don't know, or write us on our website HardReset.Info. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.